Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Workshop. Today we're going to focus more on the different strategies that we can use for addition and subtraction problems. So here I have a chart, right, on the different strategies we use with addition and subtraction. So the first strategy we can use for both is using our fingers. We could use our fingers to count, and we can use our fingers to also take away, so we can get the answers when we're adding and subtracting. We can draw pictures, right, to show how many more, right? We see the stars over here, 3 stars, and then they're adding 2 more, so there's 5 stars. Or we can show pictures and cross out stars, or cross out whatever pictures we have when we're subtracting. So if we're taking away 3, boom, 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 right? So number 3 is counters. We can use counters, right, to show. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. That shows me that I'm adding 2 and 3. Counters, 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3, you're taking 3 away. So now there's 2. The number line, we can go to 5. We could go to 2, and then we can add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And the number line here, we can start at 5, and then we could go back 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we have 2 left. We could count on. So if I have 2 and I'm adding 3, I'm like 3, 4, 5, right? I don't count 2 because I already have 2. So I go 3, 4, 5, and I just added 3 there. I count back. I have 5, so I'm going to go 4, 3, 2. So that means I'm taking away 3 and I have 2 left, counting back and counting on. So all these amazing strategies we use when we are doing addition and subtraction problems. And on Tuesday, I had a little step tool that we can use while we're doing our addition and subtraction problems. So it helps us break down the problem so that we can understand it better. So I'm going to take my notebook and I'm going to write number 1, as in step 1, and I'm going to write understand. There we go. So here's my problem. My problem says Max's soccer team has 15 balls. His team lets Rose's soccer team borrow 6 balls. How many balls does Max's team have left? So if I go back over here to my steps tool, understanding the problem, I need to understand what's going on in my problem. So I'm going to go back to my problem again and read it again. Max's soccer team has 15 balls. His team lets Rose's soccer team borrow 6 balls. How many balls does Max's team have left? So here I know that there are 15 balls that Max's team has. Then they give away, they let them borrow 6. And so I'm being asked how many is left. So I'm going to say Max's team had 15 balls, period. Rose's team borrowed 6. I need to figure out how many balls Max's team has left. There you go. So I understood the problem. I understood that they had 15, and then they gave away 6. They let them borrow 6, right? And so I need to figure out how many balls Max's team has left. So now I'm going to go back to my little chart over here, and I'm going to go to do number 2. And number 2 is plan. What strategy am I using? So the question is asking me, the question is that he had 15, he started with 15, and he gave away, he let them borrow 6. So that means it's not addition because they're not getting any, they're giving them away. So that means I'm going to do subtraction. So right here, I'm going to put subtraction. Do you see that? Subtraction. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to do number 3. Number 3 says to solve and show my work. So I'm going to go back to the strategy list, and I'm going to think about what strategy I can use. I think I'm going to use the pictures. let me do that one first. So let me go back to the problem. Let me go back to my picture. He had 15 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And like Miss Rodriguez taught us at one point, she always told us to number our pictures, right? Because it's going to help us so that we make sure that we have the right amount. Because sometimes we mess up, right? So I'm going to number my pictures. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. So I know that they gave 6. They let Rose's team borrow 6. So I think I'm going to take away 6. So I'm going to go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now that I took away these 6, these are the amounts. This is the amount that I have left, right? That Max's team has left. And that amount is 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, they have 9 balls left. So there we go. It's the equation that we did, right? If we put into equation, it would be 15 minus 6 equals 9. Max's team has 9 balls left. There we go. So number 4, let's go back to number 4 and let's check it, okay? So let's check number 4. Check. So I think that we can do another strategy to help us check, and that's going to tell us if we got the same answer. So I think that we can do a number line. Okay, let's do a number line. When we use multiple strategies to help us, it helps us see that we're doing the problem correctly, and that if we keep on getting the same answer, that we're doing something right. It helps us double check our answer, right? So I'm going to go up to 15. Ooh, perfect. Okay. So I have 15. So I'm going to go back 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to circle it. 9. Awesome. So I know that there are 9 balls left. So I want you guys to use the same strategies that are here. Use multiples of them and try to find out the next problem, okay? Good luck, boys and girls.